Hello and welcome to this quiz series, Key Stage 3 on Geography. Now, quizzes are a great way to learn to revise the subjects you've been taught at school, so I really do hope you enjoy this quiz. Let's think first of all about geography itself. Now, there's such a big world out there waiting to be explored, and in Key Stage 3 Geography, you'll be going on some wonderful and stimulating journeys of discovery. Have you ever looked at a map of the world and just been amazed by how many different countries there are? I could look at maps for hours on end, particularly the maps show mountain ranges, tropical rainforests and massive river systems. It makes me sort of learn more and more about our planet. In this Key Stage 3 Geography section, there are 50 quizzes to test your knowledge, covering topics such as geography for Australia, Italy and Japan, earthquakes and volcanoes, using ordnance survey maps and populations. Loads of stuff to keep you really busy. Now, I'm sure you're going to really enjoy Key Stage 3 Geography. To give you a taste of what to expect, I've chosen 5 of the quizzes to have a very brief look at. Here's a fact to amaze you. In the UK, there are over 245,000 miles of road. If you could travel continuously at 50 miles an hour, 24 hours a day, it would take you over 200 days to drive along every road in the UK. And that's a lot of petrol. In this quiz, you won't be asked to do anything that's tiring, but you will be expected to know about our road system. For example, what could be your destination if you were travelling along the M20? If you think of South Wales, then I'm afraid you're going to get seriously lost. And what comes to mind when you think about Japan? To me, it's about history and tradition. I just love the stories about the samurai, Japanese warriors. Modern day Japan is much more about industry and commerce. And in this quiz, we need to know about Japanese technologies and how they lead the world in many industrial processes. So good luck with this quiz. I know I mentioned my love of maps before, but developing the skill to read an ordnance survey map is one I think everyone should master. There's just so much detail on OS maps and so many stories to investigate. As well as existing features such as towns, rivers and road networks, the maps will reveal features of our past, such as disused railway lines and ancient burial sites. There's so much to discover, what at first sight just appears to be a basic map. My 4th quiz selection tests your knowledge about our natural resources. What are fossil fuels? What are the problems associated with our use of fossil fuels? And what are the alternatives? Can you distinguish between renewable and non-renewable fuel? I'm sure you're going to do well in this quiz. My final quiz choice is shopping. Now, I'm not a great fan of shopping, but my daughters love to spend time browsing through shops, particularly where clothes are to be found. Even in our big shopping centres, there are geography lessons to be learned. What type of shops are to be found on the high street? Do you know the names of some of the top stores? In this quiz, you might be amazed about how much you actually know about our shopping experiences. So, those are just 5 brief sections I thought I'd take you through. Let's look now at the quiz itself in action. So here we are at the Education Quizzes homepage. So we want Key Stage 3, we want Geography, and here we are. If you scroll down, you see all the quizzes that are available to you. Now let's choose one to have a look at.